Alright, welcome back all my legendary traders and entrepreneurs. If you guys are new to this channel, my name is G. I'm just showing you guys the whole journey of my trading. A lot of people on YouTube, like I said, they don't show their whole accounts, they just show daily wins. They don't even really show their losses. And I've been tricked about that many times. I bought signals from people, I bought courses from people because they always show results. But I don't know if I stated in my other videos, but the thing is, you want to see long-term results, 1 year, 2 years, all right? If you guys watch any channel and you guys find any channel that shows MYFXBOOK or shows their statements or anything, I'll Cash App or Venmo you guys $50 because I've been trying to look for a Forex trader that is fully transparent, shows all their trades, shows the wins and the losses, and yeah, just showing you everything, all right? So my example of it, for example, is like if somebody goes to Vegas and they play 100 hands of blackjack and they win 20 hands, they just get dealt blackjack right, 21 right on the start, and they're only videoing you, showing you, oh, they're always winning blackjack, but they only won 10 out of 100, and the rest they lost probably hundreds and thousands of dollars. But you're gonna buy a course, or you're gonna learn, or you're not gonna learn from. You don't want to buy something from them. They're only showing you when they're doing the highlights of their trades, right? Or they're winning hands of blackjack. So a lot of gurus, a lot of traders out there is what I see. They want to show you, oh yeah, whenever they win. I can do the exact same thing. It's just show you guys all my wins and hide my losses. And then, of course, you guys are going to believe that I'm always a profitable trader winning all the time, which is not true. So like I said, if you guys know any channels or anybody out there that shows that stuff, I'll Venmo you guys $50 or Cash App you guys because I would love to connect with other traders that shows all their documents and statements and be very transparent. But today's video, as being transparent, like I said, I just want to show you guys a $1,000 withdrawal. If you guys haven't seen my last video, I showed you guys how I made the $1,000 profit, and now I'm going to withdraw it because when you withdraw the money, it feels like you're actually earning it, right? So usually people, yeah, keep it compounding, but when you pay yourself, it feels more real, right? And it motivates you to keep trading. And once I accumulate a good amount of money, then I'm gonna increase my account so that, like I said in the last video, I'm up 30% right now on my $3,000 account. But let's say that it's a $10,000 account, I'm up $3,000 in basically a month of trading, right? And I can for sure live off where I'm living right now. I can live off $3,000 plus my other business ventures as well, making some money on the side, passive income on the side. But if I'm consistently able to make about even 10%, any percentage-wise, as long as I'm positive by the end of multiple months, all I need to do is increase my balance, and I'll be able to live off the income of my trading, right? So let's go straight to Hugosway, and let's do some withdrawals. I'm just going to blur out my account IDs and numbers and stuff, but... So MetaTrader to wallet, and then you guys can see here the 6,000 here is my S&P 500 account. I started it with $4,000, and now I already withdrew $1,000. So technically, right now I already doubled my account basically. Running equity is about $1,000 in profit. I'll make another video on that, so subscribe. So I'll show you guys that strategy probably in the next video. But anyways, the account that I'm withdrawing from today is this account, which is up $1,000. So anytime it's up $1,000, I'm just gonna withdraw $1,000 and keep only $4,500 in there. Even though I have a $4,500 in there, I'm only using $3,000 because I don't. The reason why I keep $1,500 because for every $1,000 I have in there, I like to keep $500 so I don't get margined out, right? So to wallet USD. I'm gonna do 1,000. Oops, I'm gonna withdraw 1,000. So this is the second time ever in my whole trading career that I'm able to, withdraw from my account. So now you see $1,000 in my account. I'm gonna do a withdrawal. Withdraw, select withdraw type. I guess we just do Bitcoin. So the thing with Hugosway is that whatever way you deposit it in, you have to take it out with that amount before you can take it out in another currency or another method. Okay, so with Bitcoin, I've deposited part over $15,000. So I need to withdraw $15,000 in Bitcoin before I can ever do any dollar in VLOAD, because they want you to whatever you deposit in, they want you to take it out the same method so you don't do money laundering. So that's what I learned when I first tried to withdraw my money from, I believe it was my $5,000 when I took it out from my account. Yeah, but I'm gonna withdraw my $1,000 Bitcoin. When I withdrew my $5,000, they made me take a picture with. Man, they keep making me log in. Oh, I need to get an address. Okay, let me get an address here. But let me finish what I was saying. So when you withdraw money, sometimes if it's a big amount, they make you take a picture with your ID, a selfie of you, a paper with your name, your signature, and how much you want to take out, and the date. I don't remember the time, but the date, and you had to take a selfie with it to confirm that's you. But let me get my address real quick, and then I'm gonna withdraw it from here. Okay, so I finally got my address. If you guys feel free, you guys want to send me some Bitcoin, feel free. That's the address right there as well. But yeah, I got it from my Cash App account. So if you guys don't know, Cash App is now taking Bitcoin. The reason why I like using Cash App is because it's faster for money to go in there. If you use Coinbase, it takes like a couple of days to withdraw. But Cash App is pretty fast, and I like that. So I'm gonna withdraw my $1,000. Success, cool. They see they need you. Keep asking me to log in. Gotta keep my code again. But I guess it's just to show you guys the process of withdrawing from an account and see what it takes. But yeah, it feels good to actually be able to withdraw. So pending withdrawal is $1,000. And that's about it with the withdrawal system. And yeah, can't wait to see it in my account. I don't know. I'm really not gonna treat myself to anything. I just like to reward myself with actually having more money in the bank, I guess. But yeah, feels great to take out $1,000. If you guys have any questions with Hugosway, let me know. This is the broker I've been using. The spreads are decent. They have great customer service. And I've never had any problems with them. So far, so good. I'm always going to be looking for better brokers, of course. But so far, Hugosway is a very trusted broker. And I've never had a problem taking out $5,000 or the 2 times I took out my $1,000. So yeah, thank you guys all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you guys happy trading. Stay disciplined, and hope this is November 4th for now. Thanksgiving is coming up, so hope everybody have a great beginning of November, and I'll see you guys in the next video.